Hi guys, so you're gonna search for Chrome, and then when you go into Chrome, you are going to be going into your Google, so your Google search, and then you're gonna type in G Suite login, and then you're gonna scroll down to the part that says sign in Google accounts G Suite. Make sure it's that one. Then you're gonna put in your email that you got, whichever email, and then your password, and then you're gonna press next. Now after you press next, it's going to load a page. So yeah, we're gonna wait until I finish typing this password. Yeah, internet was running slow, so yeah. So after you type in your password, thing about welcome whatever is going to come up, accept, and then it's gonna take you to your dashboard, and then you're actually signed in. Now you can either go in Gmail from there, or you can go in your Gmail app and then do it there.